KCBS News Time 11:11. The gig economy is here to stay. So rather than fight it, the cities of Richmond and Stockton are embracing it. KCBS reporter Doug Ducey says they're teaming up to train workers who want to move beyond Uber and into more creative pursuits.
The mayors of Richmond and Stockton co-authored an op-ed in the Sacramento Bee on this, and now their cities are hosting digital workforce development initiative training sessions for people who are unemployed or underemployed and trying to find their place in the gig economy. Richmond Mayor Tom Butt says better a casual gig than no gig at all.
They can't afford to rent, or they've got, other issues that the city has to pick up the slack on. So the buck stops with the cities in a lot of these issues.
But the idea, Butt says, is to train them to maximize their potential as web developers, freelance writers, graphic designers, musicians, artists. Richmond had a training session last Friday. Stockton will host one July 28th.
The more things we can do to help people find creative jobs that fit their needs, the better.
Doug Sovereign, KCBS.
I'll give you a good example of that. A couple of years ago at our Art and Wine Festival, we had a young man who had just graduated from high school, and he volunteered to help us with our event. Well, this young man knew a lot about sound and engineering. He knew about electricity. He knew about all kinds of things that were going to be important to us during that weekend. You're basically building a city.
Exactly.
He was so impressive that our chief of police watched him working, offered him a job. Now, there was no job for him, but over the last couple of years, he's created his own job. And now he just got a raise.
That's perfect. Exactly. Great example.